slip knot, foundation chain, and the single crochet. And then in the end, I have a few extra tips. The only two tools you'll need today is going to be a crochet hook and yarn. Let's do it.
Okay, step 1, creating the slip knot. Hold the yarn with your non-dominant thumb and first finger. Wrap a loop around. Pull the working end of the yarn into the loop. Pull through to create your loop and tighten. Now, place your crochet hook into your loop and pull it snug gently over the hook. Adjust as needed for tightness. Step 2, making a foundation chain. Wrap the end around the little finger and your first finger of your non-dominant hand. Keep tension using your non-dominant thumb and middle finger to hold the yarn close to where you're working. Yarn over. Pull through the loop on your hook. That's your chain 1. Yarn over, pull through, chain 2. Yarn over, pull through, chain 3. Again, yarn over, pull through, chain 4. Yarn over, pull through, chain 5. Continue along with the number of chains your pattern calls for. Turn your work, insert your hook into the first chain, yarn over, and pull through the 2 loops on your hook, and that is your first single crochet. Again, put your hook through this next stitch, yarn over, and pull through the 2 loops on your hook for your second single crochet. Put the hook through the 3rd chain, yarn over, and then pull through the 2 loops, and that's your 3rd single crochet. Continue along until you've completed single crocheting into each chain stitch. Let's count our stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great! Let's keep on crocheting into each chain. Finding the last stitch. The last 2 stitches are here. Put your hook into the second to the last stitch. Yarn over, pull through, and you can see there's one more stitch after this one. Here's your last stitch. Place your hook into the last stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through the... There you have it, your final stitch. Let's turn our work again. Now there's the first stitch. Don't count the loop on your hook. The first stitch is right after it. Chain 1. Put your hook through the stitch. Make sure it's the first stitch. Don't count your chain 1 as a stitch. Yarn over, pull through the 2 loops on your hook. That's your first stitch. Now in the last stitch, again, you can see that's where you'll put your hook into for your last stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and then pull through the 2 loops on your hook for your final stitch. That's it. You learned the slip knot, foundation chain, turning your work, and tips on finding the first and last stitch. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, please share.